Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload photos on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Uploading photos to Pinterest is a straightforward process, whether you're doing it from a desktop or a mobile device, even on your tablet. Because, you see, if you wanted to upload the photos on your Pinterest account, remember that uploading photos to create, moods, boards, and collections that inspire your others, whether it's for home design, fashion, or event planning. You can use the Pinterest as a platform to brainstorm and gather visual ideas for creative projects such as writing, design, or art. Now, I need you to hover to the homepage wherein you can find a plus button at the center. I want you to click on it because this is one of the ways for you to upload photos in Pinterest. One is creating a pin. All right, click the option here. Now, once you've done that, all you're gonna do is choose the photo or photos that you wanted to upload on your pin. Okay. Now, after that, you can put in a title, something like maybe add a description. So it's all up to you, right? You can paste a link. You can pick a board, which we're gonna be doing later. You can pick a profile, save to board. We have different boards here, all right, to save it. You can tag topics. Now, if you tag topics, what will happen is it can reach people interested in pins like yours. People won't see your tag topics anyway. So if you're happy with that, just click on tag. You have the advanced setting, which if you don't want people to comment on your pin or your photos that you uploaded, just slide it off. And if you don't want to show similar products, slide it off again. But if you do want, people can shop products similar to what's shown in the pin using visual search. All right, so whenever you post pictures here as a pin, these will happen to you. You can tag products that you wanted. Now, product pins, you say will show up here. For example, you uploaded a specific product as a pin that will be showed here. You can search by product name as well. After doing that, all you're gonna do is click on create. Now you have successfully posted a photo, which is via the pin. Now, if you click on the plus button again, if you wanted to create more option for you, all right, you can create a board, maybe like Andy board for photos, for uploaded photos, right? Now, after that, you have an option to add collaborators. If you wanted, click on it. You can add in by name or email. Once you've done that, click on done. After that, you can keep this board a secret if you wanted. So if you don't want others to see this board, you can keep it a secret. And once you're happy with it, just click on next. Now, by uploading photos via the pin to Pinterest, you leverage a powerful visual platform to share, discover, and of course, connect with others, which is meaningful in so many ways, whether for personal enjoyment, professional growth, or creative expression. Pinterest offers a range of opportunities to engage with your interest and goals via uploading photos as a pin. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.